Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I want to share with you how I made this delicious palm nut soup. Okay, this is assorted meat and fish palm nut soup. It's very delicious and trust me, you're going to love at the end of this video. So let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe I'm going to need some fresh goat meat. So that I have some fresh meat, and of course I have some assorted fish. This is dry fish. You can use any fresh fish if you want, but for today I am using dry fish. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside because I'll introduce it to the soup later. So now let's steam our goat meat and our beef. Okay, so in my pot I'm going to add some tomato paste to my meat, add some chopped onions. I also have some 1 large onion which I'm going to add it to it, some goat seasoning powder, all pepper seasoning, and some beef seasoning powder as well. To that I'm going to add some salt to taste, a little bit of water to steam this. My goat meat is really hard, okay, so I need to add in more water to steam this very well. So whilst that is going on, I have some garlic, ginger, and some pepper which I'm going to add some water to it to blend very well. Blend this until everything is nice and smooth. So we're going to add this to our meat to steam alongside with it for about 30 to 40 minutes on a medium heat. Okay, so after 20 minutes of steaming the meat, it is halfway cooked. So I'm going to give this a quick stir and allow it to cook for extra 20 minutes before I will remove my onion to blend and add it to the soup. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you are still watching this video at this point, baby, please do wait to subscribe for me, okay, and turn on the post notification bell as well and be part of this beautiful family. Okay, so after removing the onions, I'm going to add in my palm nut juice which I've strained it very okay. This is a very lazy day palm nut soup that I'm making. But I have a detailed recipe on how to make palm nut soup, so I will leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Okay, so next I will go in with my dry or smoked fish, and this fish took the soup to another level. Okay, it was super delicious, trust me. And so I'm going to add in my blended onions as well. I have some okra to top it up because I'll be enjoying this with my fufu, and of course some prekese for flavor. Okay, I taste for salt and it was okay. So now I'm going to give this a very quick stir and allow this soup to cook very well until oil begins to settle on top beautifully. That is when you know your palm nut soup is ready. Okay, so now let's cook this until it is ready. And to my lovely returning and new subscribers right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing, commenting. Fam, your girl is very grateful. Okay, and now our palm nut soup is ready. Just look at that. This looks so appetizing, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you're going to pair with this kind of soup. Okay, I am going to pair mine with some Ghana authentic fufu. Okay, you can pair yours with some kokunte, banku, rice ball, plain rice, yam, eba, just name it. Okay, this soup goes well with everything. Okay, so now all what is left is for me to serve and enjoy myself. Okay, and I have a full detailed video of how to make palm nut soup on my channel. I will leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Okay, and now just see how the fufu and the palm nut soup is giving the vibe right now. So Kwando, if you have the ingredients in your house, just get right into your kitchen and prepare something like this for your family. Okay, so if you watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Bye bye and stay blessed.